Good evening. Keep the videos on, everyone. Keep the video on. Okay. Yeah. So we stopped with salary, right? Salary paid to employees 2000. And we had completed that. Moving to the next one. Rent of rupees 350 received from Ashok. Okay, received from Ashok, credited to both rent as well as Ashok's account. Okay, this is the case. Yeah. So rent of rupees 350 received from Ashok. That is the first part. Okay. Credited to both rent as well as Ashok account. So credit is given to two accounts. Rent account as well as Ashok account. Okay. So what is the correct entry? Correct entry. What is it? Rent of rupees 350 received from Ashok. So rent is received. What is the entry? Correct entry. Keep the video on. Keep the video on and give me the answer. Yes, Akshay, can you tell me the answer? Rent of rupees 350 received from Ashok. What is the journal entry?
Cash account debtor to
Cash account debtor to?
Rent.
Yeah, right answer. So rent is received in cash. So cash increase, cash account debit rupees 350 to rent account. This is the correct journal entry. Very good, Akshay. Okay. Now, what happened? What is the wrong mistake? What is the wrong entry? Rent of rupees 350 received from Ashok. Okay. So that should be cash account debtor to rent account. Now, what is the mistake? Credited to both rent as well as Ashok account. That means there are two credits given. To rent 350 and again to Ashok 350. Okay, this is the case. And this means that cash account is correctly debited with 350. Cash account is correct. And what is wrong? Already rent account is credited and unnecessarily they have credited Ashok account also. Okay. So what should be done? Krishna, can you try?
Ma'am, we have to delete the Ashok account.
Very good. Yes, cash Ashok account should be cancelled. Then, okay. So in order to cancel that, what should be done?
It should be debited.
Yes. Ashok account debit 350. Then anything else, Krishna?
No, ma'am.
No. Ashok account debtor 350. Then no other correction. Cash account debit is correct. To rent account properly done. So that is correct. And Ashok account is cancelled. Okay. Then there is a debit, no credit. So we will open suspense account. Ashok account debtor, suspense account rupees 350. Okay. Ashok account debit to suspense account 350. In order to cancel this credit, we need to debit it, but we don't have anything to write on the credit side. That is to be credited. That's why we are opening a temporary account, suspense account. Okay, so that's the case. Okay, moving to the next one. Okay. We'll discuss one more transaction, then we'll move to the numerical questions in the textbook. Credit sales to Mohan. Credit sales to Mohan, rupees 5,000. Recorded in purchase book. Recorded in credit sales to Mohan, recorded in purchase account. Okay. What is the correct entry? Pavitra? Correct entry. Credit sales to Mohan rupees 5,000. That is the portion to be journalized. So what is the correct entry, Pavitra? Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct entry, please.
Mohan account debit to sales.
Very good. Mohan account debit to sales. Okay, this is the correct entry. Now, what is the mistake here? We have recorded this transaction in the purchase account. It is treated as purchase. So, the entry is purchase account debit to Mohan. Actually, it is credit sales, but it is taken as credit purchase. That was the mistake. Mohan account debtor to sales is the correct entry, and it is written as purchase account debtor to Mohan. And here, there is nothing to be done with the amount. There is no mistake related to amount. Did I write the amount? Yeah, 5,000. So Mohan account debtor 5,000 to sales 5,000. So amount is correct. No correction has to be made regarding the amount. Now how to correct it? How do you correct this? Anyone? Try. I'll give you time. Try and tell me the answer. Any one of you. Yes, anyone? Tell me the answer. Anybody? Try. Mohan account debtor 2 sales. That should be the correct entry. And the mistake is purchase account debtor to Mohan. Who will try? First of all, we should debit Mohan. Right? Mohan was credited, it should be debited. Mohan account debit 5,000. Yeah. Then here we have a Mohan credit. It should be cancelled. So again, actually Mohan account debit 5,000 cancellation. Okay. Now to sales, the correct one. To sales 5,000. And this purchase should be cancelled. To purchase 5,000. Okay. Now instead of writing this 2 times, we can write it as single entry. Mohan account amount is 10,000. Is it clear? So first of all, the wrong entry, you cancel it. Mohan account debtor 5,000 to purchase account. Then give the correct entry. Mohan account debtor 2 sales. So instead of writing Mohan account debtor 2 times, we will write it 1 time and the amount becomes 10,000. Okay. So after completing this, I request everyone to take the textbook numerical questions. Completed? Those who have completed, open your textbook. See the question number 1, numerical question number 1. The first question, rectify the following errors. Did you see the question? Very easy one. Credit sales to Mohan rupees 7,000 were not recorded. Okay. Credit purchase from Rohan rupees 9,000 were not recorded. Goods returned to Rakesh rupees 4,000 not recorded. Goods returned from Mahesh, rupees 1000, not recorded. So the entire 4 transactions are related to complete omission. Okay? Yes. So how do you rectify it? Please do it fast. You can do it. You just have to write the original, the correct journal entry. Do it fast and I'll call out your names. You will read it to me. Okay. So the first one, numerical question, question number 1. Question number 1. Okay. Credit sales to Mohan rupees 7,000 were not recorded. What is the correct journal entry? Pranav,
Mohan account debtor to sales.
Mohan account debtor to sales. And rupees 7,000, 7,000. Okay. Second one. Credit purchase from Rohan rupees 9,000 were not recorded. Akshay,
Purchase account,
okay. Purchase account, debit.
Rohan account.
Purchase account debit to Rohan account. Okay. So that was omitted. We are going to write it. Amount 9,000, 9,000. Now the third one. Goods returned to Rakesh, rupees 4,000 were not recorded. Goods returned to Rakesh. Yes, Krishna.
Purchase account debtor to Rakesh.
It is goods returned. It is returns. So it is not purchase. Purchase returns. Okay. We are returning it to Rakesh. To Rakesh. If you want to return something to Rakesh, that means you have purchased something from Rakesh. Correct? Okay, the business, we have purchased something from Rakesh. That's why we are returning it to Rakesh. So it is purchase returns. So what is purchase returns now? Is it a debit or credit? Purchase is always debit. So purchase returns will be credit. So what is the entry? What is the name? Rakesh. Rakesh account debtor. Rakesh account debit to purchase returns. Purchase returns account and the amount is 4,000. 4,000, 4,000. Okay. So the next one. See, goods returned from Mahesh. From Mahesh. Mahesh has returned something to the business. That means it is, what is it? Sales return. Okay. Mahesh is returning something to the business. That means the business had sold something to Mahesh. And think of sales. Sales is always credit. So sales returns will be debit. Sales return account debtor to Mahesh. What is it? 1,000. 1,000, 1,000. Is it clear? Okay. Those who have completed can move to question number 2. Question number 2. Rectify the following errors. Credit sales to Mohan rupees 7,000 were recorded as rupees 700. Credit purchase from Rohan rupees 9,000 were recorded as 900. Same transactions, but the case is different. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 were recorded as rupees 400. Return from Mahesh rupees 1,000 were recorded as rupees 100. So I suggest you to go for the 3 sections: the correct entry, wrong entry, and rectification entry. Correct entry, wrong entry, rectification. Earlier case, it was complete omission. So we know that that particular entry should be written. So there it was not a compulsory thing to follow the format. But from now, it would be better if you do this. Wrong entry and rectification entry. So correct entry, we know. We already have written it in the question number 1. Credit sales to Mohan. So the entry is Mohan account debit to sales, and the amount is 7,000. 7,000, 7,000. Okay. Now what happened? The wrong entry. Mohan account debit 700. It is only 700 to sales 700. Now, how do you correct this? Rahul, how do you correct this? The mistake is only in the amount, and that too both the sides. Instead of 7,000, we have written only 700. So what should be done? The deficient amount should be added, right? Actually, it is 7,000 and we have written only 700. So the balance amount, how much is it? $6,300. 6,300 more should be written. More should be written. So Mohan account debtor 6,300 to sales account 6,300. The rest 3 also, it is the same. That means the pattern is the same. Entry have no change. Only thing is the amounts written is lesser amount. So subtract it and that deficient amount should be added. Entry remains the same. Complete it, please. It is a two-sided error, both debit and credit. Mistake has taken place, and also we can say that it is error of commission. Completed? All the four completed? Question number 2. Second question. Second one. What is that? Credit purchase from Rohan. What is the rectified entry? Aparna, what is the rectified entry?
Purchase account added to Rohan's account.
Amount?
8,100.
8,100. Okay, correct. Purchase account debtor to Rohan. 8,100. What is the third one, Rahul?
Rakesh account 3,600 to purchase return 3,600.
3,600, right. 3,600. Rakesh account debtor to purchase return 3,600. Purchase returns. Okay. 3,600. Pranav, last one.
Sales return debit 900 to Mahesh 900.
900. Yeah. Sales return account debit 900 to, what is the name? To Mahesh. Mahesh 900. Okay. So that's clear to all. Let us move to question number 3. Rectify the following errors. Credit sales to Mohan 7,000. And what happened? More than 7,000 just returned. 7,200 is the amount returned. So what to do? The excess amount should be cancelled. Credit sales to Mohan rupees 7,000 recorded as 7,200. Credit purchase from Rohan 9,000 recorded as rupees 9,900. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 recorded as 4,040. Then goods returned from Mahesh 1,000 written as 1,600. So all that excess amount should be taken back, cancelled. So what to do? To cancel that, just reverse the entry and write the excess amount, the difference amount. Okay. So the first case becomes Mohan account debtor to 7,000, to sales 7,000. That should be the correct one. Instead of that, we have written 7,200. So we will cancel it by writing it as sales account debtor to Mohan, sales account debit to Mohan. What amount? 200, 200, 200. Please complete it. Pranav, read the third question, second one. Credit purchase from Rohan rupees 9,000 were recorded as 9,900.
Rohan account debit 900 to purchase 900.
Okay. Then Rahul, read the third one.
Sales return 40 to Rakesh account 40.
Okay. Pavitra, can you read the last one? Krishna, read the last one.
Mahesh account 600 to sales account, sales return.
Okay, yes, right, 600. So that's it. And I think you can do the question 4 and 5 as homework. Question number 4 and 5. The same questions, the same transactions we have discussed today in class. Okay. Question number 4 and 5. Okay, so please do it as homework. Everybody should do it. I'll be checking it tomorrow. Tomorrow, do we have class? No, no accounts. No. Okay, Thursday. Okay, so that's it. Revise the portions, learn well. That's it. Thank you.